Hello friends, you are welcome at YouTube channel of Chameli Devi Institute of Pharmacy, Indore. Today we will discuss steroid and cardiac glycoside containing crude drugs. This slide covers outlines for this topic. So first of all we will discuss definition and introduction of glycoside, and after that we will discuss various crude drugs which is containing steroid and cardiac glycoside like Liquorice, Diascoria and Digitalis. Now we will discuss the introduction of glycosides. So glycosides are non-reducing organic compounds and they are hydrolyzed by alkali, acids and enzymes, and they can be divided into two parts. First is sugar part and second is non-sugar part. So sugar part is also known as a glycone part and it is formed with one or more unit of sugars, and non-sugar part is also known as a aglycone part and it is also known as a genin part, and which is responsible for various types of biological activities. Now we will discuss first crude drug which is containing saponin glycoside, and it is Liquorice, and the synonym of Liquorice is Glycyrrhiza and molleti, and the biological source it is obtained from roots and stem of Glycyrrhiza glabra which is belonging to Leguminosae family, and the geographical source are it is found in China, Europe, India, Iraq, Japan, Turkey and United States. Now we will discuss morphological and microscopic characters of Liquorice root. So first of all we will discuss morphological characters. So roots are long, straight and cylindrical in shape. They have brown or greyish brown in color, and they also have sweet and slightly acrid taste. Now we will discuss microscopic characters on the basis of transversation of Liquorice root. So cork is consists with readily arranged cells and tubular cells. Phylloderm is composed with parenchymatous and collenchymatous cells, and they have starch grains and calcium oxalate crystals. And pericyclic fiber also found, and phloem consists with sieve tubes and medullary rays, and pith also present at the center, and rhizomes are absent in roots. Now we will discuss various chemical constituents which are present in Liquorice root. So major constituent is glycyrrhizine, and it is sweet in nature and it is 50 times sweeter than sucrose, and other constituents like calcium and potassium salts of glyceric acid, and glyceric acid on hydrolysis gives glyceritic acid and glycerinic acids. Now we will discuss chemical test and uses of Liquorice root. So first of all we will take powder crude drug of Liquorice root and treat it with 80% sulfuric acid, and it shows orange yellow color due to the formation of flavone glycoside liquoritine. Now we will discuss various therapeutic uses of Liquorice root. So it is used as a sweetening agent. It is used in bronchial problem like bronchitis, cold and flu, and it is also used as expectorant. It is used in relieving stress and reduce fever. It is used as an antibacterial and anti-inflammatory activities. It is used in high blood pressure and kidney diseases. It is used in rheumatic arthritis, and externally it is used in treatment of herpes and eczema. Now we will discuss second crude drug which is containing steroidal glycosides, and it is Diascoria, and the synonym is YAM, and the biological source it is obtained from dried rhizome of Diascoria daltoidea and floribunda. It is belonging to Diascoriaceae family, and the geographical source it is found in North America, Mexico, India, Nepal and China. Now we will discuss morphological and microscopic characters of Diascoria root. So roots are slightly brown in color, odorless and taste in bitter. Now we will discuss microscopic characters. So transversation of this root observed the presence of epidermis, and cork cell is made up of various types of layers like parenchymatous cells, and it is thin wall, and the major part is consist with steel and collateral type of fibrovascular bundles, and these are present at the central and radial shape. Now we will discuss chemical constituents and uses of Diascoria root. So root contains diasgenin and other steroidal sapogenin glycosides like smialgenin, epismialgenin, beta-isomervamogenin, and it also contains sapogenase enzyme, phenolic compounds and starch. Now we will discuss therapeutic uses of Diascoria root. So it is the major source of diasgenin, and it is widely used in manufacturing of progesterone and other steroidal drugs, and it is also used as a contraceptive and treatment of various disorders related to genital organs, and it is also used in treatment of asthma and arthritis. Now we will discuss third crude drug, and it is Digitalis, which is containing cardiac glycoside, and the synonyms are Digitalis, purple foxglove, finger flower, foxglove leaves, folia digitalis, and lady's glow. And the biological source, it is obtained from dried leaves of Digitalis purpurea and which is belonging to Scrophulariaceae family. And geographical source are, it is found in England, Germany, France, North America, Japan, Iraq, India. Now we will discuss morphological and microscopic characters of Digitalis purpurea leaves. Leaves are dark green in color. These are orderless. They have bitter taste, and these are ovoid shaped with dented margin. They have purple color flowers, and leaves are 10 to 30 cm in length and 4 to 10 cm in width. Now we will discuss microscopic characters. So it is dorsiventral type of leaf. It is covered with covering and glandular type of trichomes on both surface, and it has a anomocytic type of stomata. And trichomes and stomatas are present at lower surface. And the pericycle is parenchymatous at the above and collenchymatous at the below. And calcium oxalate crystals are absent. Now we will discuss various chemical constituents which are present in Digitalis purpurea leaves, and these are purpurea glycoside A and B. On enzymatic hydrolysis, purpurea glycoside A converts into digitoxin and glucose sugar, and digitoxin further converts into gitoxygenin and 3-digitoxyl sugar on hydrolysis. Purpurea glycoside B on enzymatic hydrolysis can convert into gitoxin and glucose sugar, and further gitoxin is converted into gitoxygenin and 3-digitoxyl sugar on hydrolysis. Now we will discuss various identification tests for Digitalis purpurea leaf. So first is Bile-Jet test. So first of all we will prepare a thick section of leaf and then treat it with sodium picrate reagent. So it shows yellow to orange color due to the presence of glycoside. Second is Legal test. So in this test, first of all we prepare a extract or solution of glycoside and treat it with pyridine and sodium nitroprusside solution and then add alkali solution, and it shows pink to red color due to the presence of glycoside. Third test is Killar-Killarney test. First of all we prepare a solution of glycoside and then dissolve it with glacial acetic acid and then add drop-wise ferric chloride solution, and after that we will add sulfuric acid and it shows a reddish brown color layer, and after that we can observe upper layer with bluish green color. Now we will discuss therapeutic uses of Digitalis purpurea leaf. So it is used as a cardiotonic, and it is also used in treatment of hemorrhage. It is used as anti-inflammatory, and it is used in epilepsy. Thank you so much friends for listening this slide, and I hope these slides will be beneficial to all of you. Information regarding steroidal and cardiac glycoside containing crude drugs.